everyone. We are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and I already did the unboxing on this Kreg. Now we're gonna put it to the test, see what's up, see how easy it is. This is a very simple cut. I'm gonna do more cuts later on. I just, we got involved in other stuff. I just didn't get to it. So I'm gonna get to more cuts. Let's get this cut, at least do one simple test, see how easy it is, because this needs to be cut. I'm working on a project, as you guys saw. And that's it. So it's a very simple thing as you put it together. The two screws went in there, and that's all. I just had to drill those two. I just had to put, because it came inside a box and you had to kind of put it together. So it was very simple. And then it mounts right here. You got these two little brackets, wishbones, whatever you want to call them, that stick out right here. The hell, I cut my glove. That stick out right here, and then you just screw those in, and that's it. And then these move. You put the plate in of your circular saw that you're going to be using, and then these also have little set screws, if you see on the inside here, so you would turn those and set it, and that's how you're going to make sure you tighten this on really good. And it's very simple, as you see, to use, to put together and all the rest of it. This is the lever that you use to be able to measure, and clamp down how much you're going to be cutting off or whatever to make a straight cut. It's cool because it has a little handle right here, so I think that's really cool. I think that was a really good design, and that's it. So we're going to try to cut this over here. It's a little bit of a weird cut. This also does have a calibration little check on it, as you can see right there. It's a little far away, but it's very simple. It's a little tab. You just push this in, and then you can move this over to adjust this to match up 0 with your blade. Okay, so you are gonna have to do that depending on what blade or whatever's going on, whatever machine you have, obviously, right? So make sure that that's aligned with your blade the first time around, and then you should be able to do cuts. I mean, if you're doing expensive stuff, I would check it all the time, because one mess up cut could cost you $1,000. So I mean, I would be double checking. But if you're doing cheap stuff, you could just set it and forget it, kind of a deal. All right, so what you're going to want to do is, obviously, you're going to line this up. You pull this open, and then you slide it back and forth to exactly where you need it. All right, and then all you do is just take this and push it down, and you're good. Make sure everything is tight. Double check, because you can't, what the saying is, measure twice, cut once, measure twice, right? Measure twice, cut once, however you want to do it. But anyway, we're going to do this, and we're just going to cut right through this really easy. And it does have a handle on it, but I don't think I'm going to have to use the handle so much, because I have this in the way, and this is such a small piece, and I have the handle right here, so I'm not going to have a problem with that. All right, guys, let's do this. That was it. Pretty much, that was pretty simple. You saw that? I mean, it looks like it cut right on the line. My line. So I pretty much got an even cut, is what it looks like over here. All right, guys, that was it for the small review on that. You saw me cut it. I think this thing is awesome. It's great. Like I said, this is only 2 foot length, so you can only cut, a certain amount, depending on what size. But you saw how easy that was for me to do. Just make sure your material is secure, because this, if you're cutting IKEA, you already know that this stuff is not really heavy. It's not a heavy piece of material. So just make sure you support it down. I put some weights on mine because I couldn't get clamps. Have all your safety stuff, and that's it. And just go for the cut. All right, and I think the cut came out pretty good. I really can't complain. I think it's going to look nice, and that's it. So pretty much that's what we can expect from the Kreg guide that I got for the circular saw. So, I mean, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right, everybody enjoy. Be safe. I'm out. Bye-bye. And if you could do me a favor, click on if you're going to buy this or whatever your plan on, if you're buying stuff off Amazon at no cost to you to help support the channel, you can, unless you hate me, you can click the link below and you can purchase this or whatever you're going to purchase through Amazon, as long as you use the link. I think there's some kind of support there, and that's it. And then I can get, you know, more tools, more stuff to test out, and you could see me, you know, invest back into my channel. And it's up to you, obviously, to, you know, test me to see if I'm going to invest back into my channel. All right, thank you guys for your support and your help. Have a good one. Bye bye.